The Wolwedans base camp has a number of artisan workshops on site. Perhaps the one producing the most offcuts as reusable waste is our carpentry workshop. Besides using larger offcuts of timber to repair broken classroom chairs from the primary and secondary schools in the nearby town of Maltahohe, and creating JENGA blocks as games for our guests at the campfire, we also produce a fair amount of sawdust from the woodcutter. This sawdust plays a vital role in our homemade Firelighter initiative. The Wolwedans collection switched from using candles at dinner service to using kerosene lamps for illumination, and thus accumulated half-burnt candles in the storeroom, which are the second part of the Firelighter process. The half-burnt candles are melted over a heat source and mixed with the sawdust, to which some paraffin is added, usually long-standing paraffin from our storeroom. This mixture is churned into a semi-thick consistency by hand and then molded into trays. At Wolwedans, broken or old ice trays suffice quite nicely. The molds set overnight and can be stored for any length of time until they're needed. The homemade firelighters burn longer than commercially made firelighters, and besides the kerosene we use, the firelighters are mostly organic. The Wolwedans Foundation, balancing people, planet and profit since 1995.